Hello, all you lunatics out there. It's me, Leo the Madman. And today I thought I'd play a game that I really enjoy. Now, I've played through this one a couple times, but of course, you all weren't there for that. So again, thank you for tuning in. And I thought I'd play it before I got a chance to play the new Ratchet and Clank that's coming out. Sadly, I do not have a PS5 yet. But as soon as I get it, I will be doing the gameplay of that. Without further ado, let's get into it. You know what? I've played through enough Ratchet and Clank games. I think I'll go hard. Wait. I meant I'll play on hard. Oh, God, I probably have to cut that out. I'll try not to talk through the cutscenes, so I'm gonna go quiet for a bit.
Open up on 7. Move it out, Shiv.
Oh yeah, hero, huh?
Identifying prisoner 117, Shiv, Helix.
You think you can break me, copper? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that would make your bolts rattle. The eternity pits of Sword Doom, the iron holes in no balance. Ah!
Greetings, new fish. I'm...
Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you.
Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed my many, many adventures?
Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax.
Oh, you must mean the holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
They're making a game based on a holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side.
I'd like to hear your side, Captain.
You would? Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank. Does that ship look mag? Come on, give it a spin.
Give me this spin. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep. Left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights.
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more to the right.
Lower right afterburner works.
That's not connected.
So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
I will.
And so Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become a galactic ranger.
Rise and shine, Kizzle Plateau. It's 8 a.m. and it's gonna be a hot one today.
Okay.
Ratchet
Usually
slashed
after
his
the-
enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
Oop, didn't mean to talk during that.
Got him.
Usually, after the first game, some of the names will have puns in them, like the second game in the
order to
series.
best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
Like the second one was called Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, and the third one was called Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. The fourth one didn't really have a pun. It was called
Ratchet knew he
Ratchet
faced
Deadlock.
mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
Shit. And then bolts. Like, the fourth one, yeah, the fourth one didn't really have like goofy name. It was just called Ratchet Deadlock, and he was like stuck in this arena. He had to fight for his life. He had this like, I guess a deadlock around his neck that would like kill him if he didn't play. Other than that, you know, pretty fun game.
The Lombax displayed a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
Maybe he was just saving up bolts so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Boom.
His enemies vanquished, Ratchet forged ahead. His destination? Destiny.
Quark does a pretty good job at telling the story, and Captain Quark is like mainly in the first two he's the villain.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Galactic Ranger.
So in this one he's, well, I mean, like he's the villain, but at the same time he like redeems himself, kind of, not really.
On you, hombre. Ready to dissipate some I spy another good time. Good luck, future ranger.
Hello, recruit. Cora Verilux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings. Hop across these moving platforms. Good job.
I
You
don't
could
have
be
a
the
gun.
recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Oh, here.
Hey there, recruit. I'm Brax Lectress, and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates.
Brute force.
Hey, Darwin.
Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor.
Okay, gonna buy that. The main thing.
Next step, blow stuff up.
The main thing that I always love about Ratchet and Clank is the weapons. Like, in the first one, there were a lot, but like,
as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around in crates.
there was a lot, but like, you know, I mean, they look awesome and fantastic, but like, you know, at the end of the game, you get this option to replay the game with all your weapons, and that's all you really got. Now, in the second one, they fixed that, because you get the same weapon skin, but you can, like, buy upgrades for them, and the first wave of weapons, they get an ultimate form, which make them look like 10 times cooler. I didn't see this before.
Whoa, a holo card. Sweet.
Big Al here. You've just collected. You can
can earn single holo cards by defeating enemies, or you can explore secret areas to find packs of 3. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
Huh. Okay. Like, whenever there's a problem with one game, they always make it like a prime, what was it called? I want to say directive to make it better in the next game, which I really appreciate. Insomniac Games, they make a lot of good games, like Sly Cooper.
You can do this.
Of course, Ratchet and Clank. They made that Spider-Man game. They're really good at what they do. We'll bring them on. Where's the enemies? They're there.
One down.
Whoa. Looks like some angry toads.
Oh. That's also a big thing in after the first one. Every time you get like a certain amount of XP, you get to level up your life, which really helps whenever you're like new to the game, because then you get more life, you get to eat more bullets. Also, you know, you don't need any more nanotech.
The helpless defect knew that his best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there alive.
That's another thing I appreciated, that they let you play as Clank. I know, you know, that's not much, but like, it's a nice little feature.
Feeble defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path. The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him and knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity. The hopeless defect had to throw a spring bot, but where and how?
Yep. Right there. Oh god.
There you are.
Oh my.
Dang it.
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap. Get back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot. Oh no, water.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power bot. This device could power up a variety of machines, but where should he throw it?
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling.
What seems to be the problem, mister?
You won't get away from me, Chairman. I've got him right where I want him.
That's what you think. Now, I'm talking a lot about this stuff, and I realized I think I put in some spoilers. Didn't mean to do that. I'm not an expert. I just really love the games.
You think you can run from me?
Not that brute again.
What?
Get back here, you miserable defect!
Opa!
Try gonna rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket.
What's a sprocket? Like a real thing or a made-up thing for this game?
Water!
Million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved?
Maybe.
Did he leave the proto-engine on in the
Oh,
garage?
God.
The answer to all these questions was yes.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just a really big fan of Ratchet and Clank, even though some people say it's not a good game, and it's probably gonna
Large
be
gaps where child's play to Ratchet. All he would need to get across is a trusty
retired or
slingshot and a
something
little
like that.
bravado.
I enjoy it greatly.
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Combustor.
Nice, a combustor.
Bam. Ha.
Impressive shooting.
Bam.
Nice work.
Ow.
What are they doing here?
I have information in my database that poses a threat to Chairman Drek.
Really?
He must have tracked my position to your planet so he could get it back.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Copy that, Ratchet.
Ratchet was in a bad way. Hurt, confused, and alone. He scoured
it's
the
out.
Kizzle Plateau for signs of nanotech.
Enemy down.
Uh-oh.
I think that's all of them.
Okay. So it is a bit harder than the other mode. Usually it just tracks the enemy for you. I don't know what these little green guys are, but I guess they're a form of light source. I don't know.
Whoa, is that a Blarg dropship?
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the Dropship of Death.
Great.
There we go.
Done, Ratchet.
All the
Wait.
jobs Red could have given us, we gotta look for some defect. Ah, it's not that bad. Got clean air, warm heat of the sun. This is nature. We never had any of this.
Oh no, the Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up
And
till
bomb.
the coast's clear.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
Yep, yep. It's got a really nice story to it.
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Ow.
More bots.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
No.
A beginner's guide to quantum bursting.
Yes, I did it. Only took like
All right, Grim,
40
coast is
tries.
clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, what in Sony's name just exploded?
Sorry about that, Grim.
Sorry.
Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Interesting. What kind of factory is this?
This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Yes. I'm in here. Oh, there it is.
That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
Uh-oh. Don't do it! Ah, he did it.
Don't worry. The computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising. Well, it's damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
Now, a lot of this game is pulled from the very first one, which I really appreciate. Like this
Wait a
level
second. Is that
itself.
raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons first.
Well, not the raritanium, but everything else.
Let's
To
use
the
that vendor and put this to good use.
battles, to those enemies down there, all of this.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk. You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff. But all you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain. All right. Hey, that's all there is.
Interesting. I guess. Need more.
Oh, nice.
There we go. See if I can upgrade the combustor a little. Need more ammo. Huh. Alright. I don't have enough. Well, I guess I have enough for the pyrocitor. Proton drum. I'll get this one.
Good choice. Yeah. Now go out and
And of course, I'll show what they do even before combat. Just a flamethrower. Go this way first.
Holding his breath, our intrepid Lombax delves the depths of, deepness. Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Yeah, for some reason there's not a lot of oxygen underwater, but there's plenty in space. I like how the bolts are currency in this world. That's kind of neat. But it's like only certain bolts. Like you can't just pick one off. Well, I guess that is the whole basis. You pick one off the ground, like, hey, this is money now.
They appear to be amoeboids. According to my databanks, they were created by training systems in order to assist the warbots.
Just a puddle.
Huh?
Like, there used to be like big fish in these waters. I'm not gonna make it. Wait, maybe I will. There we go. Well, I guess not in these levels, but later there's gonna be big fish in the water.
More bad guys. Get ready.
Doesn't do much damage. Gonna have to upgrade that. That mushroom. Ow. There we go.
All enemies clear. Well,
You don't want to open, do you?
you are very
Oh.
good at breaking things.
You know, Grim once said the same thing.
Okay. What we got? Nice. Also, there's gonna be a part in this level where we meet a plumber, and he's been in, I believe, almost every game. I know about some of the other ones, but I haven't gotten a chance to play them. Mainly because, you know, PS2 is like, it's an old console, and I just need to be able to find one. Look at that, we're back at the ship. Oh, ho, ho.
Hey, you looking for some weapons? Step into my office. Actually, I ain't got no office, but I might get one if I make Salesman of the Month.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant invasion.
Invaders Zim.
Armed and contacted armed so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our calls, it's probably best to remain in your home.
Ow. Ow. Stop it. Jeez. That hurts. I need more ammo. I don't know if it will, but if this gets, like, you know, a lot of attention, then I guess, you know, I'll do the original Ratchet and Clank. I have those three, and I have PS3, so yeah, there we go. If this gets enough attention, I'll play those. Killing enemies.
Attention, invading lords.
Oh.
We have left you several messages regarding your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but just in case you didn't check your messages, there are quite a few waiting for you.
Ah. Death. I'm allergic to it. And as you can see, the little bar is going up slowly. These weapons, unlike the first game, these ones are upgraded. Haha. Ow!
I doubt that's the last of them.
Ah! What? The bridge.
Lord, you have not heard back from us regarding this unfortunate incident. I thought it might be
Nice.
technical difficulties on ours.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's ship.
Ugh.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Agnog Buckwash, mayor of the Togruck Crater of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Ah! Got distracted. Richard Steven Horvitz. He voices Invader Zim and a bunch of other ones. And apparently he's the voice for the mayor in this one. I really appreciate that. Really did enjoy Invader Zim growing up. Hey, y'all stop doing crimes.
Come in! Anyone hurt? We're in danger!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I'm getting very tired of not being. Uh-oh. Combustor. Oh.
Hello? Is it safe to come out?
Thank you. Thank you. I thought we were done for sure. We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
Nerd.
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, has this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus.
He did a
don't
crime.
think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Right. Okay, let's see if we can find some help.
We're gonna need a plumber.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
Look out!
So, couldn't even bother to learn their names, huh? People that just saved your life. I didn't get ammo. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Doesn't matter, they're dead anyway. Poor robot. Oh. That reminds me of Goddard from Jimmy Neutron.
Ratchet jumped and jumped and what's with all the jumping?
Hold on. Hey. What? Oh, I thought I found a secret. Oh, I did. I'm just an idiot is all. Now, I'm not going to be able to get every secret, so don't get mad at me. Oh. The amount of veritamium you earn has increased by 5%. Interesting.
Shoot that space rat!
How dare you talk to me like that? I am a Lombax, thank you. Why'd you shoot at the ground?
We're professionals. It's our job to take you out.
Ow, but worth it. I really don't like the green sludge that just pops out of there. I guess that's supposed to be their blood? I don't know.
Get rid of some of them and buy a proton drum from me.
Oh. Dying noise. Alright, let's get these schmoobin'. Life. Need that heals. Oh, did not see you. Little bug robot. I don't know what they are. There's a in one of the Ratchet and Clank games, you get like an encyclopedia on every monster you defeat, but only after you defeat them. It was cool. Like, they had a lot of stuff, and at times you could like see all the bugs and how much the animation could have been better, but they make up for it in the next game by making the animation better, fixing the bugs, and giving you all sorts of like little things to look forward to.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before?
Reference.
I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming. So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you.
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
Did that guy just slide down a
I
sewer
love
pipe?
that crazy guy.
Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot. That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Alright. So I am going to go to the next planet.
Ratchet.
Didn't mean to do that. Wow. Okay.
Which planet should we go to?
Skid's agent is still lost somewhere on Iridia.
We'd better get to Kerwan and warn the Rangers.
Actually. Well, it seems I am all out of time. This video is going to be a bit longer, but I will be making more. Thank you, all you lunatics and psyche escapees, for tuning in. See you next time.